got a rifle, and do you need a case for it? Maybe try this. Basic light jacket. Find a sleeve. Pop the sleeve over the barrel and take it all the way to the end. And if your rifle's quite long, where is it? Pop the barrel out the end. Take the hole for the other sleeve. And drop. Drop the stock in this end. And you'll find it'll only go down probably as far as the cuff. Okay. Back over again. Put your barrel in. And then you can either put some kind of binding round it. Corner, kind of into the middle, corner, into the middle. It makes like a nice little apex or a point. Simply wrap it round. And you've got a nice, tidy rifle.